Hi, I'm Tasha, the Nutrition Education Assistant, and this is Wally Cat. Wally is used by the University of Kentucky to teach our children to make their plates with half fruits and vegetables. Fruit is such an important part of our diet. Fruit provides fiber, folate for our pregnant mothers, vitamins A and C to boost our immune system, and they also provide phytochemicals which help fight free radicals that are known to cause cancer. Not only that, they're low in sugar, they're low in calories, and low in fat. And they taste amazing. And so this is a great recipe. It's Wally Cat Tropical Smoothie. It doesn't have very many ingredients, and so we're just going to get started so we can enjoy our awesome smoothie right before summer, right? So the first thing we're going to do is add our banana, but we also know that before we do anything else that we want to wash our hands. That's going to keep us safe and anyone else that we're providing food to. So I've already washed my hands, and we are going to put our banana in here. We know that bananas provide potassium for us, right? Pineapple, frozen pineapple, and I chose frozen strawberries. You can do fresh or frozen. If you want your smoothie more like ice cream, a thicker consistency, you want your fruit frozen. So that's the tip I give all of my participants. Now, I took this to the school one time, and my kids loved it, and so all the kids in Breckinridge County, and so this is one of our favorites to try. And then you can use any type of blender you have. You don't have to have the most expensive one. We don't at my house. Just put your frozen fruit at the bottom and then your liquid on top, and you'll do just fine. And you can make it and blend it for as long as you want to have the consistency that you like. Moms and dads, grandparents, I want to give you a tip. You can put spinach in now we use fresh spinach at my house. Spinach in your smoothies, and if you put it at the bottom of the smoothie and mix it really well, your kids are never gonna know that they're having dark green vegetables. So that's just another thing that you can add that's very nutritious for our kids. So you can blend it for as long as you want to have the texture you like. And here is our Wally Cat Tropical Smoothie. I think you're really going to enjoy this. It's super simple, and it's very nutritious for us, and it's an awesome treat. So I hope you guys have an awesome day, and try out one of our smoothies and send us a picture and tell us how you like it. Thanks.